Tekan tombol merah kuis supaya orang ketinggalan video Anda.
In the history of World Superbike to win 10 consecutive races. Congratulations to the top three. And for Sean Muir, the team principal, who is celebrating a birthday today, Miguel Oliveira, rewards him with 3 podiums. Happy birthday, Sean. Have a good one, buddy. But what about it, ladies and gentlemen? Your race winner, Nicola Gulaga, second place, Igor Corner. He gets off the bike. 3 podiums for Portugal. And Miguel Oliveira! Mr. Gomez will now proceed with the trophy presentation on the podium. And Miguel wasting no time at all there. The rumah Ducati riders get involved as well. Thank you to our dignitaries, Miguel